loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by the lovely Kimberly over at Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. I participated in this collaboration last year, which is called the Show Some Love collab when Kimberly hosted it, and I was very happy to see that she was doing it again this year. So for this collaboration, she asked us to share 3 things that we love and then to turn around and show a tablescape. It can be in your dining room, your kitchen, on your coffee table, an island, anywhere you like, but there was a stipulation. This time, your tablescape must include something heart-shaped. So before we jump into that, let me share 3 things that I love. Number 1, I love my boyfriend Chad. We moved in together in 2015 and we are planning to get married, and I am madly in love with him. He is the love of my life. Number 2, I absolutely, of course, love my family. I just was lucky enough, along with the rest of my family on my mother's side, to celebrate my grandmother's 100-year-old birthday in January. And she is doing perfectly well. She still gets around and walks on her own and is able to do a lot of different things. And we are so happy to have 5 generations with her, my mom, myself, my eldest daughter, and my grandkids. So I love the longevity and the fact that we can celebrate such a milestone with her. And then the last thing that I love is I love meeting and talking to and becoming close friends and even like family with a lot of my YouTube friends and other creators. I absolutely love this platform and I am so glad to be part of it, and I hope to be doing more and more in the near future. So now on to my tablescape. I have set up my table here in my dining room, and if you've been on my channel before, you will recognize this beautiful mirror that I have sitting on top of my table runner / tablecloth today. Now, if you know me, you know I utilize all kinds of things for table runners and a table cloths, and normally it has something to do with wrapping paper, or at least lately. I've used faux fur and tulle and things, but I've been sticking with different wrapping papers that I found over the course of the last couple of years. So now this time I've switched it up and I'm using this soft material that is embossed with a kind of floral print, and you'll never guess what it is. It is actually a runner for a wedding aisle. I have a wedding runner that is 150 feet long. I got it on clearance at a place that was going out of business, and I found it the other day and thought it would be perfect for this tablescape. And so once I anchored it down with my gorgeous mirror with the Swarovski crystals in it, I placed this vase that I thrifted filled with 2 bunches of open red roses that I actually got from Ollie's last year. Yes, Ollie's, and they were really cheap. And look how full these flowers actually are. Next to that, on either side on the mirror, I have 2 thrifted red tinted tea light holders, and in the middle my love sign from the Dollar Tree. I love thrifting and doing things on a budget, so a lot of this on the table came from the thrift store. That includes the 2 candlesticks on either side, along with these little appetizer like plates that I got from the thrift store. I ended up picking up 8 of those. I placed little cookies that have hearts on them because, of course, we had to have hearts on the table. Then I have a Dollar Tree charger for my place setting with a thrifted white beautiful swirl plate, and then a thrifted red plate and a thrifted trinket box holder. I'm telling you what, Buying things at the thrift store saves me a lot of money. I place candy in that for each one of us. I also have my little silverware setting that I tied up and used just as some ribbon that I picked up over the course that was in my stash, and little brooches. I have a water glass and some thrifted champagne flutes that have a black stem. Over here on this side, I also have a cloche that I would put some yummy treats for us in, and another heart on some black and white striped napkins. Then next to that, I have a DIY that I made. I didn't do a video on it, but if you'd like to see it, let me know in the comments down below and I will put one out for you. But it is a Dollar Tree candle holder with some florals from the Dollar Tree at the bottom, just the greenery part, and some fairy lights wrapped around like a doll, and I made some heart-shaped topiaries. I thought it was really cute, really simple, and easy to do. Then here on the other side, I have the same place setting, along with a heart-shaped little like candy holder that I put the little cookies in, and a two-tiered heart-shaped tray that can have more treats, and then finally my champagne caddy. It's like a little cooler. I actually have a bottle of wine in there because it matched the decor with a really pretty stopper. So this is my simple but I think elegant Show Some Love tablescape for 2019. I want to thank Kimberly so much for including me in this collaboration. I will list her channel down below along with the playlist of all the other participants in this collab. Please go by after watching this video and show all of them some love and tell them I sent you. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. And also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.